Are you suffering from weak pelvic floor, hip groin pain, and you don't know how to engage your tight and weak pelvic floor muscles? Hi, my name is Annie, and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Join me for this gentle standing Pilates and yoga to open your tight hip flexors as well as your hip groin area that will support your non-functional pelvic floor if you have latchkey bladder, and if you also have a mommy pooch, which is a diastasis recti with difficulty engaging especially the lower abs. So in this video, we'll start in standing position, and you might need a tall foam roller. This is 36 inches long, and if you don't have a foam roller, you can use a stick for balance, because with weak pelvic floor and usually you have unstable pelvis and hips area. And if you don't have a foam roller to lie on later on for that gravity assisted, you can use a roll towel. And we have some elastic band to give you a challenge on your midfoot area to help the stability and control. So let's begin the program with the foam roller on in front of you. We're going to do some side-to-side lunges. The good thing about having a foam roller, it will give you that stability in front of you with your hands on top of it. And you can do a side-to-side lunge to warm up your hip groin area. This is a great tool to help open your hips before you start any hip mobility program, and it's a good way to warm up before you lift weights or as a cool down program. As you breathe in, breathe out, making sure you're zipping it up from your lower abs to your navel to engage your weak lower abdominal muscles as you breathe out. Breath work is so critical to engage your pelvic floor and your whole core muscles. We have 4 more side-to-side lunge. You're going to feel that beautiful hip opening. Keeping your elbows leveled with your hands. Keeping your back straight, core engaged. 2 more. And now we're going to lean one side. As you lean one side, you're going to slowly let go of one hand and overhead reach. And then switch to the other side. And then lift your left hand as you reach overhead. And you're leaning on the foam roller to give that stability on your unstable pelvis. So breathe in and breathe out, lean and then reach. Feels so good on your hips as you open those areas. Two more. As you breathe in, breathe out as you reach. Arms overhead to your side and reach. Lean away as you lift the opposite arm. Last set. And last set on the other side. Well done. Now with the foam roller, we're going to slowly lean forward for a gentle goddess pose, and with your buttocks sticking out, your knees slightly bent to lower down. So let's go sideways so you can see. Feet apart, soften your knees, lower your hips, and lean forward against the foam roller for stability. And then you go up, full extension, breathe in and breathe out. So I'm pushing the foam roller forward for that deeper stretch on my upper back as well, keeping my spine in neutral position. Toes pointing out to the side as I bend my knees. So let me go in front of you so you can see. As I breathe in, breathe out. I'm really feeling the stretch on my shoulders. It feels so good. As I breathe in and then breathe out, zipping it up from my lower abs to my navel as I bend my knees as deep as I can, as long as there's no knee pain. Breathe in and then breathe out as you go down. Inhale up, full extension, standing straight. Exhale down. Two more. Feels so good on your knees, the hip groin area. Last one. Inhale and exhale. and slowly roll up. Now we're gonna do some static hold, isometric hold as you go to goddess pose. As you go down, bend your knees as much as you can, and then lift one foot at a time, your heel up, heel raises, left and right. So the foam roller gives you support on your weak core and legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and up. And now we are progressing. We alternated left and right with your heels. Last one, and that's it. We're gonna cool down now in seated position. In the butterfly stretch, with your feet together, knees apart in a butterfly position, and we're gonna do gentle pulses like a butterfly fluttering their wings. You guys did great today. Even 8 to 15 minutes of simple routine that you can start incorporating in your daily activities so you can start regaining your life with a stronger core, improve pelvic floor health, and close the gap. If you're interested, you can join my upcoming Revive Pelvic Floor Health Core Rehab. I just opened the card today before I close it very soon for first time, first serve basis. And now we'll do circles. Hold that stretch as much as you can. Open those hip groin area. And that's why I'm here to guide you safely and effectively with my weekly Zoom calls. I'm finally opening the cart with weekly Zoom calls for my Revive Pelvic Floor Health Core Rehab. So I can send you the link. I could check out what's going on in your pelvic floor so I can fix it for good. Final solutions to all of your pelvic floor concerns. And your diastasis recti if you're postpartum or perimenopausal, menopausal women. Click the link on the description below. Be part of my early bird waitlist for first come, first serve basis. Before I close the cart, so I can see you inside, I can help you hold your hand, reach all your goals without any concerns on how you can fix your diastasis recti, mommy pooch, low back pain, pelvic pain, as well as a lot of factors of pelvic floor weakness. Okay, my friends, we're gonna lift your arms up overhead and slowly lean forward for a deeper stretch. I'm hoping you enjoyed this lovely simple routine that you can start doing today with the foam roller and elastic bands. And if you need help on getting the right foam roller, I'm going to launch my new foam roller very soon. If you have more time today, watch video 1 of my Revive Pelvic Floor Health Core Rehab about core back immersion therapy, where I utilize Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy fused together to help your pelvic floor health. And this is episode 2, how to use the gravity assisted foam roller. I'll see you inside. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!